Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Orbit now all-time lows. This is a concern. I've been to the spaceport in the spaceport Cornwall in the UK. Click up there. That'll take you to the full list of my Virgin Orbit playlist. I've got a very small position here in my brokerage account, but I've got a much bigger position in my Roth IRA. I see it as a long-term investment. However, it's great buying a stock when it gets cheap, but if it gets too cheap, it can very quickly run out of money. Remember, if its stock price is too cheap, it can't raise money. And we know that Virgin Orbit is looking to raise money, as is Virgin Galactic. So right now, Virgin Orbit is getting a little bit too low. It doesn't want to raise money at this level. That would be a bad idea for the stock. But we don't expect, if you remember, after the disastrous test flight last time that went wrong, they said very quickly indeed, that there would be a flight very soon. I think that was very optimistic. I think it was more to do with getting people to not sell out the stock and buy in. Perhaps it was to kind of boost the stock. Public companies particularly, will do that to try to bring some interest. However, they've got some new contracts. There's money coming in. We haven't got any news on Virgin Orbit. I am looking at it every day. When I get some information, I'll bring it to you. I'd love to tell you more right now, but I've added to my position. I'm not looking to buy any more, and I am getting concerned if it goes much lower that we go into the danger territory. Virgin Orbit, it's down today. Primarily, the overall markets are down because we're expecting a 0.5 rate hike, and that is not good for companies who need to raise capital, who need to borrow money. And of course, as well, it's not good for the companies that want to invest with them and pay for their services as well. Everyone's going to struggle. Virgin Orbit, what's your position? Leave your thoughts below. Smash the like button. And join me for Virgin Galactic's earnings coming up here next week. And we're going to be there also with the Virgin Galactic song as well. Join us for that. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.